Hello, hello mga ka-POV. Tara, let's go for our camping trip in Fujairah. Let's go, Habibi. Let's unleash what's in store for us in Fujairah. Courtesy to Doka Boys Engineering Department. Sila po yung nagplano para matuloy yung camping namin. And talagang parang mga Boy Scout, sila po ay laging handa. This is Snoopy Island. Tinawag na Snoopy Island kasi resemblance daw ng cartoon character ni Snoopy while lying on his back. Trivia lang po mga ka-POV. This is the camping sites. Let's go unleash what's in store for us here in Snoopy Island. Earth and sky, woods and fields, the sea and the mountain are excellent schoolmasters and teach of us more that we can ever learn from books. Fujairah is known for its mild climate and unique geographical features. Located on the east coast of UAE, it is characterized by stunning high mountains and beaches. The sound of the sea waves when you're outside of a city, falling asleep with the stars and waking up with the sun, cooking food over a campfire, not having a Wi-Fi, not looking in a mirror, camping is so freeing. I felt my lungs inflate with the onrush of scenery, air, mountains, sea, and people we care about. I thought, this is what it is to be happy. The outside is the only place we can truly be inside the world. Yung pakikisama, pakikipagkapwa, yun din po ang ituro natin sa ating mga anak. Yung paano makakipag-relate sa kapwa natin, kaibigan man, kaopisina, or bagong kakilala. Ituring po natin silang kapamilya. Kasi habang tayo ay nabubuhay, sila po ang ating karamay. The main income of Fujairah is based on fishing and agriculture. Its land is irrigated by rainwater from the Hajar Mountains. Due to its strategic position, it is the UAE's only access to the Indian Ocean. The cost of living in Fujairah is among the lowest in the UAE alongside Al Quwain. To put this in comparison, if you have 12,000 dirhams in Fujairah, you would need at least 21,278 dirhams to maintain the same standard of life in Dubai. Looking up and escaping reality, the sky is not the limit. Your mind is. Up close and personal with Mother Nature. Yung sound ng mga alon, halakhak ng mga bata, habang naglalaro sa dalampasigan, ay nakaka-relax at nakakaluwag ng pakiramdam. Kung sila'y pagmamasdan, para bang wala silang kapaguran. Wala silang iniisip na mabigat, kagaya nating mga matatanda na. Ang gusto lang nila maglaro, tumakbo, humalakhak, mag-swimming, maglaro sa dalampasigan hanggang sila ay makaramdam ng gutom. Ang sarap maging bata, hindi po ba? Yung tipong wala ka pang mga responsibilidad sa buhay. Yung tipong pa-relax lang, pa-enjoy lang. Campfires are amazing for a number of reasons. They provide light, heat, and a place to cook food. They can also be a source of entertainment, community, and stories. Friendship flourish around the glow of a blazing fire. The flickering flames draw us in and capture our attention. Fujairah, a part of United Arab Emirates, is generally known for its high level of security. Law enforcement here is effective and strict, resulting in a low crime environment overall. Fujairah's economy is based on subsidies and federal government grants distributed by the government of Abu Dhabi. Federal government means a system of government that divides the power between a large central government and the local and regional government were established by the Constitution. Going to Khorfakan Fujairah, kailangan mong daanan ng 4 na tunnels at mga malalaking mountains, mga malalaking bato. Makikita mo yung magagandang scenery kagaya nito. Madadaanan mo yung pagkahaba-habang tunnels na nakakatuwang pagmasdan habang ikaw ay dumadaan. Kakaibang karanasan, hindi po ba? Labas ng city, sa labas ng kabihasnan, makikipag-contact ka sa Mother Nature. Fresh air, relaxing but so tiring adventure. At nakakagutom, nakakapagod. Mas mainam naman sigurong mapagod ang katawan kaysa sa utak kakaisip sa mga stress at mga responsibilidad sa buhay. Let's enjoy and relax from